Hey everyone, welcome back to our math series. Today we're going to unravel the mystery of graphing linear equations using a method that's both simple and effective. No need to break a sweat, we're taking it step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll be graphing like a pro. And hey, if you enjoy the content and want to be part of our Math Squad community, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our math adventures. All right, grab your pencils and get ready to uncover the art of graphing. Let's jump right in. A linear equation is an equation whose graph is a line. The points on the line are the solutions of the equation. This line represents the equation y equals x plus 1. Today I'm going to show you how a table can be used to graph linear equations. Let's look at this linear equation y equals negative 2x plus 1. The first step is to create a table with 4 columns. Label the first column x, the second with the linear equation we are trying to graph, the third will be y, and the last column will be the ordered pair x comma y. The second step is to choose 3 values for x. These can be any numbers you like, but it's often a good idea to choose a mix of positive and negative numbers. Let's say we choose -1, 0, and +2 for our example. The third step is to substitute each x value into the equation and solve for y. Starting with this first value of -1, we will substitute this value in place of x and solve for y. -2 times -1 is +2, and +2 plus 1 is +3. So when x has a value of -1, y will equal +3. When x is 0, -2 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is +1. Finally, when x is +2, -2 times +2 is -4, and -4 plus 1 is -3. Now we need to fill in the last column of our table here, the x comma y, or the ordered pairs. To do this, we'll go back and look at that first value of x in the table, -1. When x is -1, the value of y is +3. When x is 0, the y is +1. And when x is +2, the y is -3. Now that we have the ordered pairs, we need to plot them on the graph. Let's start with -1, +3, then 0, +1, and end with +2, -3. The last step is to connect the points with a straight line. And this line represents the graph of the linear equation y equals -2x plus 1. Now it's your turn. Grab a piece of paper and graph this linear equation y equals 3x. And remember, 3x means 3 times the value of x. I have provided you with the table and 3 values of x. You will need to complete the table, plot the ordered pairs, and connect the points to create the line. Come on back to check your answer when you are done. All right, let's check your answer. Substituting -1 in place of x, y equals -3, resulting in the ordered pair of -1, -3. When x is 0, y is also 0, and the ordered pair is 0, 0. When x is +1, y is +3, and the ordered pair is +1, +3. The last step is to plot the ordered pairs on the graph and then connect them with a line. And remember, this line represents all the possible solutions for this linear equation y equals 3x. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions or if there's a specific math topic you'd like me to cover in the next video, drop it in the comments section. I love hearing from you guys. Be sure to click on one of these 2 videos next for more awesome math.